What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the first ever, possibly, collaboration Q&A series that I myself, Cody from Motorcycle MD, and my good friend
Matt from howtomotorcyclerepair.com.
And we decided to collaborate on questions that we get in our email. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, so how this is going to work is we're going to Cody set up an email address. People will give us their questions, problems about their motorcycle. We will read them off in this video and try to discuss how to repair it. And this can also be some pictures and video that you send in.
Yeah, and we'll try to get to as many as we can. It may not be every single one. We'll pick the best one that we think that will be most helpful or that is easiest to answer in a short amount of time so we can get to everyone as many as possible.
Right.
So where can they find that email at? Or what is the email?
Oh, you're asking me? Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so it's askbrokenmoto@gmail.com.
Perfect.
Okay, so when you guys send these emails in, include your first name, location, year, make, and model, and try to be very descriptive on the issue that you are having. Okay, and then feel free to use your phone and record a little video, and you can even send us video clips and pictures, and feel free to talk about the problem in the video. So that would be super cool to share.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that'd be awesome. So you guys know the email, askbrokenmoto@gmail.com. Hit us up, send us what you got. And we are super pumped and looking forward to this new birth of a series that we both can share with all of our viewers. So we'll see you guys then.
Yep. All right. Take it easy, guys.